In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I started my high-ticket affiliate marketing business from scratch inside of SYSTEME.io. And it's going to be absolutely free. And I'm not only going to show you how to set it up, I'm going to give you a free lead magnet that you can use for your own. I'm going to show you how to create your opt-in page, create your bridge page video, and not only create the video, I'm going to give you a script that you can use. And also, I'm going to give you your follow-up emails so you don't have to worry about writing anything. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Rock, Future Millionaire. And what I've done, I paid $2,000 for a course, affiliate marketing course, and also hired a mentor that has been teaching me over the last few months how to leave my 9-to-5 job this year with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And this is video number 5 in my Leave Your 9-to-5 Job Challenge. Now, if you've missed the other 4, just go to my profile and go to the playlist that says Leave Your 9-to-5 Job. And in my videos, I'm going to show you guys everything that he's teaching me on how to make enough money to leave my 9-to-5 job this year. Well, that's enough for the intro. Let's get into it. Now, this is the blueprint. This is the same blueprint that my mentor has used in the last 4 years, and he's made over $2 million. And this is the same process I've used, and I've made over $1,000 so far. And I made my first affiliate commissions within the first 5 days. Now, our main goal is to get people to purchase a high-ticket product or service. But first, we have to create an opt-in page where we're going to give out a free ebook or a free course and collect their emails. And now we're going to send them over to a bridge page, which we bridge them between you and the webinar challenge, which in turn get them to buy the high ticket product. We have an email campaign or a follow-up emails, and I went in detail in the last video, so if you want to check it out, when you get a chance, go back and watch those videos. Now, what I did was create a checklist for you guys so you can follow along with me on your computer. And what I'm going to do is give you a lead magnet, which is going to be an ebook where you can put it on your opt-in page where you can collect emails. Also, I'm going to give you a bridge page script for your bridge page video. Also, I'm going to give you follow-up emails for your email sequence, right? And this is going to be absolutely free. The link is going to be down in the description. And the only thing I ask is that you guys watch this video all the way through and also put in the comments, I want to leave my 9-to-5 job. Now, you can use this for any affiliate program that you have. Just make sure that the affiliate program that you pick, it has a webinar or a challenge with a high-ticket affiliate mission, right? Now, if you don't have an affiliate program that you joined already, you can just go here, click this link, and become a member of the Affiliate Income Network system, become affiliate. The next thing you want to do is click this link right here, and it'll take you to SYSTEME.io. And once you get to SYSTEME.io, you want to create you a free account, right? And it's free forever, no credit card required. And once you do that, we're going to go back to the checklist. Before we go back to the checklist, I want to let you know this is absolutely free. We have a free forever plan, which you can get 2,000 email subscribers, or you can pay $27 a month and get 5,000 subscribers, or you can do the $47 a month. You can get 10,000 subscribers. If you're new at this, just start off with the free plan, and then once you get more emails into your campaigns or your follow-up emails, whatever, you can upgrade from there. But for right now, you can just pick the free version. Checklist. Now you want to go to number 3, if you're going along with me. What you want to do is create an opt-in page for your lead magnet. And then you're going to press letter A. Copy here, and what this is going to do is transfer your bridge page and also your opt-in page directly to SYSTEME.io in just one click. Then you're going to end up on a page like this, or sometimes it takes you to your dashboard, but if it does, just press funnels, and then they're going to take you to your funnel step, which is 7 steps ebook funnel. And then you just press that, and as you see, all your steps are already in here. It's already done for you, one click, easy peasy. You got your bridge page, and also you got your thank you page and your opt-in page where you collect your emails. Now make sure you're on the squeeze page or the opt-in page, and let's go over to the far right and go to edit page, or we're going to go to view funnel steps so we can see what it looks like. As you see, this is the opt-in page for the free ebook. Now for a person to get the ebook, they have to put in their email address to get the ebook. Fair exchange ain't no robbery. Now if you want to use this for another affiliate program, that's cool too as well. It's all done for you. Just go to edit page, and you can just do some minor tweaks and everything like that. And also you can make your own ebook you can give out for a freebie. I'm going to leave a link down in the description where AI can create your own like flip book or ebook in just 5 minutes. Now we want to go back to that same funnel that we created, 7 steps ebook. Now we need to create a bridge page video. You press on bridge page and then go to edit page. Now back to the checklist. Now we got to insert your bridge page video inside the funnel. Now what you want to do is create your bridge page video for your bridge page, right? So my mentor's video is already in here, but what you want to do is create your bridge page video inside of Loom or YouTube or even Vimeo, which I use, and then you want to insert it over here to the right. You press on the video right there. You see how it's changing. Then you go to direct link. Either you can upload it from your computer, you can do a custom embed, or you can just do direct link. Then if you've got a YouTube video, you just paste that link right there, and you press enter, and it goes straight in. And also gave you the bridge page scripts, and you can download that to your computer. Make sure you create your own video, because the purpose of the bridge page is for you to build trust between you and your customers. When they opt in to get the lead magnet, the first face they should see is yours. Now the next step is to add my affiliate link to my bridge page. Now depending on if you're part of a different affiliate program than I am, I'm part of the Affiliate Income Network system. So what I'm going to do is go to my back office or first promoter, and I'm going to pick one of my affiliate links. And I'm going to use the free training for this example. Click right here. Make sure to check, copy, go back to the editor, and then press this green button. Then you see right here on the side, make sure it says open URL, right? You got different ones, but open URL. And I just paste my affiliate link right there. You see it got my last name, 81, and then I just press enter, and it's embedded. Now I'm all good. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this too as well. Now anytime you're doing any changes anywhere, when you're editing, make sure you go up here to the top right and press save changes. Now that we added the affiliate link to our bridge page, the last thing we need to do is create our follow-up email sequence. But before we do that, let me show you this. My mentor has a free course, a free affiliate marketing course, where anyone can create and launch a profitable online business that generates passive income. It's absolutely free. And the link is right here in the checklist. Now, just to recap, we had our lead magnet, which was the ebook, and our opt-in page where we collected emails. We also did our bridge page video, which bridged the customer to your high-ticket affiliate offer, your main core offer, so you can get paid. Now we're going to do our email follow-up sequence, which is going to be inside the database inside of SYSTEME.io. In our last videos, I broke down what type of emails you should be sending out, success stories, your main core products, and supporting offers. Now let's go back to the checklist. Now you're at number 6. You want to create your follow-up email sequence, and you're going to press copy here. And what that's going to do is download the email sequence down to your computer. You have 6 emails for your follow-up email sequence. Now let's go over to SYSTEME.io. Go up here to the top and go to emails and go up under campaigns. Now in campaigns, you want to press create. You want to give your campaign a name. We're going to call this high ticket. Press save, press high ticket, create subject. Now you go to your email sequence, welcome email. And then what you want to do is copy free course, get immediate access. That's for your welcome email. Copy that, paste this right here, press save. Go back to your follow-up email that you downloaded. Now what you want to do is copy all this, paste, bam. Now you may have to make a couple of minor changes. It depends on what you're doing. In this video, I was showing you how to promote the ebook. So if you're not promoting a free course, you might want to just take this out and put ebook. And also down here where it says click to create your account, what I would do is I would take all this out and put in get access to your free ebook. And then go back to the checklist, and I gave you a link for that too as well. It's right here. Copy this, go back to the campaign. Then you want to highlight it, go up here where the link at, press link, paste, press the check mark, bam, it's in there. So this is your first email that you're sending out. And don't worry about this code right here. This code is basically so when a person put in their name, when they put in their email, their name is going to pop up right there inside that code. It's just code, right? And down here where it says free course, now for me, I can go to my back office or my first promoter, and I can get the link for the free course, copy that, go back to the campaign, highlight that, go up here to the link, paste, press the check, and then I eliminate all this right here, all the stuff that's in the red. Then you got to go back to your download that you got all your emails and go through each one, 1, 2, 3. You got to just look over it and make sure everything looks good. This is where your name will be at. It automatically put your name there. Oh, I forgot up here. Change this from course to ebook to ebook. If it's a course, leave it as course. Now what you want to do is go up here and press save and publish. You don't have to worry about this. Just press activate. Now we want to connect your email campaign to your funnel. Go to your funnel, 7 steps, ebook funnel, or the free course funnel, whichever one you chose. Then you want to go up here to automation rules. You want to add a rule, funnel step from subscribe, add rule. Now you see the funnel step from subscribe rule set up or popped up. You want to press that. Do you want to add an action? Subscribe to campaign. This is basically saying when a person gets your email and they subscribe to it, it will start the email follow-ups or your email campaign. If you don't do this, people will not get your ebook. They won't get your emails, they won't get nothing. So make sure you do this step. Now once you press that, this is gonna pop up and you're gonna choose a campaign. And as you see, I got the high ticket campaign. You press that, high ticket, save rule. Rule has been updated successfully. I know this all might seem tedious, but if you're serious about leaving your 9-to-5 job this year, this has to be done. This is how you create a long-term business online, making money with affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, if you guys stay to the last video in this Leave Your 9-to-5 Job series and playlist, what I'm going to do is show you an unfair software that sends out hundreds of emails with just one click and where you can promote multiple affiliate links at one time. In my bag, I almost forgot. Now, make sure you go up here to the top of the funnel on your squeeze page or opt-in page. Make sure it's on the blue. And this is where you're going to promote your link to get people to opt in to your page. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to this link so you can start making money. Rock, Future Millionaire. Check it out. Peace.